Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to share a document in the Microsoft Word app on both iPhone and Android devices. Whether you want to send your document to a friend, classmate, coworker, or client, Microsoft Word makes the process quick and easy right from your phone. To get started, open the Microsoft Word app and open the document that you want to share. Once your document is open, look for the share icon near the top right corner of the screen and tap on it. You'll now see several sharing options depending on where your file is stored and which version of the app you're using. If your document is saved to cloud storage, you can share a link and allow others to either view or edit the file by adjusting the permissions before sending it. If you prefer, you can also send a copy of the document directly as a Word file or export it as a PDF so that other people can view it without making changes. After choosing your preferred sharing method, select the app, contact, or email recipient that you want to send the document to. Confirm the action, and your document will be shared instantly from your phone or Android device. This feature is especially useful when collaborating on school projects, business files, reports, or important documents while you're away from your computer. And that's it. That's how you can share a document in Microsoft Word Mobile on both iPhone and Android devices. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.